Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Shinto Shrine. So this is the big main gate right here, and this is an amazing shrine that was built in 1920 in honor of the emperor that they had here. Actually, it was built 8 years after he had died, and then it was destroyed in World War II and rebuilt afterwards. Admission to the grounds of this place is free. If you want to visit the museum, that is a fee for that. It's about 1,000 yen. And then they have a garden area that's about 500 yen. So find out if maybe this is a place that maybe you'd like to visit if you were in Tokyo. So this is the first fork in the road. You can either decide to go that way or continue right and go into the main shrine. Now, as I'm walking to the shrine, I notice this tree here. This is kind of interesting. I don't know what this is. All of these little funnels here, and they're going down here to, I guess, I don't know if they're capturing rainwater or what they're doing here. I've never seen anything like this. It's on all three parts of this tree. And, wow, never seen anything like it. We had rain earlier in the day. And then these trees are all wrapped up here. That one is, and a couple over there. So, and here's yet another one. So, two trees, just a little bit away from each other, having, let's see if you can look at, it's like a bottle inside here, and going down, 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 down. So, maybe I can find out what that's all about with a little bottle at the very end. So I did find out that they're using that to trap insects. So what they do with them, and maybe it's for research of some sort, but anyway, so here's the temple. Let's go in and check this out and see if it was worth the walk to come all the way out here for this. Here it is. Check that out. Right through the gates here. And there's the big gate right there. And here's some people dressed up in proper attire coming by. Oh, they're changing. Oh, look at this, just in time to see the changing of the little part here. One goes down and another one will come up. Let's see, they have one ready to replace. No, so they're basically they're taking them down then. So that's what they're doing. So they put those up, I guess, earlier in the day, and then take them down when they're ready to close up. This is neat here. Look at this. Big old rope tying here together against these trees. And this is the shrine garden, or the shrine area right here. Let's go take a look inside one of these shrines and see what that's like. Right over here. This one. So this is what is temple number 1 here, and as you can see they have a little no camera sign here, so I'll stand back here and respect the rules. You're looking at this sacred tree here, and what people do is see these little envelopes here? There's a whole bunch of envelopes where people write their prayers and their wishes on, and for 500 yen or $3.50 US, you can get one of these cards and write your prayers or wish on it, and then they'll hang it up here for the ceremony. And see these people here wrote theirs, and so different. This is here written in English. So these are all the wishes that hopefully their prayers or whatever it is will be answered. And they put it on around this big holy tree here. And look at this. Wow. Think about that. Every little envelope here you see written, that's $3.50 in the shrine's pocket. And this is where people will buy the little envelopes and then write down what they want on it and then go over there and hang it on the tree. So I guess this would be the equivalent to the Catholics in the Catholic Church lighting a candle. So here, instead of lighting a candle, they put it on a card and put it on it, hang it around a tree. So let's see what this area is over here as we move over here further to this other part of the shrine. So here's another place that it's forbidden to record or have cameras in. So I will continue moving around to the other part and see what this is all about over here. So after you spent your 500 yen hanging an envelope on a tree, you can come over here and get some type of a little Japanese traditional poem of some sort for 100 yen. So there's more money that you can spend in this place. Let's see what else we got here. More things to buy. So a lot of yen exchanging hands in this part of the shrine. So this is the lady here writing in Japanese. You pay her and then she'll write it out in the Japanese form. So for 500 yen, again $3.50, you can get this transcribed. And there's a lady that'll write it for you. You can step it up for 1,500 yen and get one of these cards. And there she is doing some more writing on it. This part of the shrine, there's given a little history on this place, the emperor and everything, people reading about it. So after seeing this tree where they hang the envelopes, let's cross over here and check out this side of the area. See what they got going through these gates here. Look at this really neat door here. Look at this. Pretty cool, big old wooden door. And then you go through the doors here. Watch your step. And see some more wooden gates off over there. Have some kind of booth. Let's see what they got going here. More poems or writings. Let's see. Oh, origami. Look at these little guys that they've made. Wow. Look at that. That's really neat. Let's go see what we got here. More shrines. Oh. And beyond this is another big old area here. So this grounds continue going on and on. Let's see what's over here. This could be, so we've seen the origami. Let's see what they got here now. So this is wash your hands, pour water in both hands, rinse your mouth, wash your hands again. So they come up with a creative way to get you to wash your hands around here and kind of put the little, looks like bamboo, but it's not. And just, I think basically a way to trick people into having good hygiene. So there you have it. That's the Shinto Shrine. I hope you enjoyed what little bit of it I showed you. There's a lot more to this place. So if you're ever in the Tokyo area, highly recommend coming by and checking out this place. Keep in mind, they do have a museum and a bigger garden area. So thank you so much for watching.